What is up, guys? Today we are going to do some RA. I've been sourcing books for the last 2 days and I am tired of it. Books get so monotonous and it is rough. So but they're good. It's a good income maker, you know, good for building capital. But we're going to go into a few stores today, look through their clearance, look through really anything, see what they got. All right. Zoink balls. I got a guy that every time I send them in, he's a competitor and he buys me out every single time. I only send in 3 or 5 of them or whatever, but every single time. So let's see what we got here. Zoink balls. So they are 73,000 in rank. See that, 564 gross proceeds. Cost $1.99, so we're gonna take. I've been watching these for a while, hoping that the price would go up on Amazon, but so these are only 99 cents. Selling for $8.99. It's only $2.38 left on the bone, so it's only $1.38. You more than double your money, but it's just not worth it. We got another great buy. Playtex gloves, 39 cents each. Selling in a 2-pack on Amazon, 47,000 rank, $4.16. They're only 39 cents a pop, so 80 cents. Make about $3. Not bad. This is my favorite spot of this store. I make so much damn money out of the office spot in this store, it's ridiculous. These, I sell these for $23.99. Buy them for $2.99. See what else we can find. Made a killing off of these too. Pretty sure I still sell them for $19.99. $19.99. They're ranked top 50 in its category. Paid $4.99 each, but I'm not. Oh wow, they're replenished. They got a ton left in there. I'm not gonna get them because I still have some left and the sales died down, and I've had a few returns on them for whatever reason, but they became whatever Amazon considers it, a risky listing or whatever it is. So I'm gonna hold off on them, wait a month or so. These have been here for a while, but it looks like they got in some more. All right, so I absolutely killed it. Just a few small items really, but there's a ton of them and I bought a ton. I'm gonna make a ton. Playtex gloves, 39 cents each. They sell in 2-packs on Amazon. So what is that? 78 cents. They sell for $11.99 and there's only one other FBA offer. So we'll see if he runs out. I surely won't. I bought 20 sets of them just to try them out. If not, there's still a ton more left. And then also the Zoink balls I got, they sell out. The guy buys every single one of them every time. I assume that the other guy has a ton always on hand because he's the only seller. I was skeptical about there only being one seller, but I've sold them now 4 times he's bought them. So obviously no IP claims are gonna pop up on that one. But so Zoink balls, Playtex gloves, spent about 20 bucks. We'll make $80 off of it. It's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna head to Walmart, see what Walmart clearance has got for us today. Good morning. It's actually the next day. I got home last night and I started scanning in those Playtex gloves to send them off to Amazon. I have a shipment going out tomorrow, so I wanted to get everything scanned in that I had. And I don't know how I missed it, but they sell in a 6-pack for $17. And they're only 39 cents each. I think the net or the gross proceeds was right around $8, $9, $10, somewhere in there. But the rank is 30,000 in health and personal care. So the other ones were 2-packs, and the 2-packs sold for $7.99 when they were like a 47,000 rank. So way better rank and way more profit. But Home Buys is closed right now, so I'm gonna go into Ollie's and see what Ollie's has. Typically they have, I get a lot of brand new books here. They have a ton of brand new books, especially like work prep books, and so we're gonna see also I get a lot of home goods and outdoor stuff here. So we'll see what they have. So let's go do that. Absolutely killed it in Ollie's. Spent $142, got 38 brand new books. I'm gonna scan these in the inventory lab and we'll see what my actual profit's gonna be. I'm gonna give a guess, I'm gonna make at least 500 bucks. The best part though is the rank. I don't think I have a book that was over 500,000 in rank. So really good haul. I love going to Ollie's for new books. You won't find that many you can make money on, but when you do find them, they don't have one-offs. I mean, they do, but they don't have one of every book. Most of the books that they have 5 or more of. So it's good for sourcing. If you could find a couple books out of there, you know, you're likely to get 5, 10 of them, and there you go, easy. And their pricing's not bad. Some of these books I paid $5 each for, but they're gonna make you know, $30, $40 in profit, and the rank's under 500,000, so they're gonna sell very, very fast. So, all right, well, I'm actually gonna not go to the other store and get those Playtex gloves just because it's kind of out of the way at this point. I'm already about 40 minutes away from home, so I'm gonna go get this sent off, get it ready, so I have a FedEx pickup later. So gotta get that done, and all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I was telling you that I stopped by Ollie's and I picked up some books. So I ended up picking up 37 books. I spent $134.25 on them. That includes the cost of stickering them. Some of them had to be polybagged. Like I've said in my previous videos, anything that's over a certain price point, I polybag just for the fact of how Amazon is with their damages. So 37 books, average sales rank of 398,000. Total sales value of 1,433 cents, and then my net profit, that includes shipping as well, shipping cost and supplies, buy cost, all of it. So net profit, $784.09. I did that within 30 minutes, and really I could have stayed there and done a lot more, but I have a hard time buying books that are brand new when I can go to the bins and I can find a ton of books for a little bit cheaper and sell them used. But you know, this was a killer. This is probably the best haul I've ever had for Ollie's on books. I mean, this is pretty killer. $134 turns into $784 profit with a sales rank of 398,000 in books. That's great. So anyway, guys, all right. Well, thank you for watching. It's been a crazy video, but like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.